Hey there. I just wanted to go through this technique of logs problem from Math Excel. So anytime you see technique of logs, the first step is going to be to take the natural log on both sides. On the AP exam, it may or may not actually tell you to use the technique of logs. You might just need to recognize that you need to use it. You definitely need to use it anytime you have an, an exponential function where the base and the exponent both have a variable. So the base, 6x, has a variable, and the exponent, ln of 6x, also has a variable. So if you have an exponential where both the base and the exponent have the variable, the technique of logs is going to be the way to solve it. So we're trying to find dy dx, which is the same as y prime. Like I said, whenever you do technique of logs, the first step is to take the natural log on both sides. So ln of y equals ln of 6x to the power of ln of 6x. So I just took the natural log of y and the natural log of 6x to the power of ln of 6x. So that's always going to be your first step. And the reason we do this is because there is a log property that says if you have an exponent inside of a log, you can move that exponent in front of the log. And I'll show you what that looks like. So we have not taken the derivative yet. ln of y equals, I'm going to move the exponent in front. So ln of 6x, that's from the exponent, times ln of 6x. That's what was left over when I moved the exponent in front. The technique of logs is basically just a way to switch from an exponential into something that you can use the product rule on. So now I'm going to use the product rule. I end up having the same function twice, so I'm going to just do the same thing twice. So take the derivative. Derivative of ln of y would be 1 over y times the derivative of y, or dy dx. Now I do ln of 6x times the derivative of ln of 6x, which would be 1 over 6x times 6. And then I take the derivative of ln of 6x, so 1 over 6x times 6, and then just ln of 6x. So this is like u times v prime plus u prime times v. Just mix and match. Okay, now we can simplify a little bit. Technically, all we'd really need to do is multiply by y. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify first and then multiply the y over. So 1 over y times y prime. I can cancel out the 6's here in both of these fractions. So this first one would be ln of 6x over x, and then again ln of 6x over x. If you have two of the same thing, then you have two of them. So 1 over y times y prime equals 2 ln of 6x over x. And then to get the y, or to get the y prime by itself, we're going to multiply both sides by y. So y prime equals y times 2 ln of 6x over x. And then we would want to plug our original y function back in. So our final answer would be 6x to the power of ln of 6x times 2 ln of 6x over x. Now you could put the whole fraction over x, or you can type it in like this. Either way should work. Let me know if this helps. Feel free to shoot another email, and I can try to record another one if this doesn't. All right, good luck today.